$1,000 per month for a medication is completely out of my budget. But what if I told you, you can get Ozempic for just $25 a month? Seriously. No gimmicks, no shady websites, and yes, it's totally legal. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Go to the official Ozempic website. Scroll down until you find their manufacturer savings card. If you qualify, it drops the cost to just $25 a month for up to 24 months. That's a huge discount. Step 2, you need a prescription. You can get one through your primary care doctor, or if you don't have one, use a telehealth provider online. Step 3, take your prescription and the savings card to a pharmacy. Hand them both over. If you have commercial or private insurance, the card will cover most of the rest. You'll pay just $25 at the counter. Here's the catch. This only works for people in the U.S. with private or employer-sponsored insurance. It won't work with Medicare, Medicaid, or if you're uninsured. If this ever changes for Medicare, Medicaid, or if you're uninsured, you know I'll be here to tell you about it. Be sure you're subscribed for straight-up health and wellness tips that save you real money.